Are you struggling to figure out where all your money goes each month? What if I told you there's a simple way to budget that can work for almost anyone? Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. The 50/30/20 rule is a straightforward way to manage your money without feeling overwhelmed. It's all about dividing your income into 3 clear categories, so you know exactly how much to spend, save, and enjoy. This method is perfect for anyone in the US looking to get a handle on their finances, whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or saving for your dream vacation. Here's how it works. Imagine you bring home $4,000 a month after taxes. According to the 50/30/20 rule, you'll split this into 3 categories. 50% for needs. This covers essentials like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. For example, if your rent is $1,200 and groceries are $400, you're still within that $2,000 limit for necessities. 30% for wants. This is your fun money. It includes dining out, streaming subscriptions, shopping, or hobbies. If you want to splurge on that $200 concert ticket, it comes from this portion of your budget. 20% for savings and debt payments. This is the money that sets you up for the future. It can go toward building an emergency fund, investing, or paying off credit card debt. If you're saving for a down payment on a house, this is where that money comes from. The beauty of this rule is its flexibility. If your needs category is taking up more than 50%, like in high cost of living cities, you can adjust the percentages slightly while still keeping your savings a priority. The 50/30/20 rule is a simple way to take control of your finances and reduce money stress. By breaking down your income into needs, wants, and savings, you'll have a clear plan for every dollar you earn. If this sounds helpful, give it a try and let us know how it works for you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Money Matters Today, and share it with someone who could use an easier way to budget.